The new Spin 11 is the successor of the R11 model. It comes with the same 360-degree hinge, but it offers a few extra things like two USB-C 3.1 ports, which join the previous two USB 3.1 ports and microSD card reader. The laptop can be configured with various Intel processor, including a quad-core Intel Pentium N4200, quad-core Celeron N3450 or a dual-core Celeron N3350. Customers can opt for either 4GB or 8GB of RAM in combination with 32GB or 64GB of built-in storage. Like the Chromebook 11C732, the Spin 11 takes advantage of a touch-enabled 11.6-inch HD IPS display that can be flipped all the way back, allowing for 4 different user modes: tablet, theater, tent and traditional notebook. Acer promises the Spin 11 will be able to last up to 10 hours without a charge.